Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best electric skillet that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Maxi-Matic Elite Platinum EG6203 Non-Stick Skillet. Designed with professional needs in mind, this electric skillet will allow you to fry, cook, sauté or braise thanks to its superior non-stick cooking surface. Unlike other models that come in small sizes, this model comes with a jumbo size allowing you cook various meals with ease. Boasting of 3.25-inch depth and a cooking surface of 13 by 16 inch, you can now cook a meal that serves 5 people, making it a perfect choice with medium-sized families. This model comes with M-shaped embedded cast-in element and durable marbled non-stick coating that features a stone finish to ensure even and fast heat distribution. Besides, this model comes with ergonomic and stay-cool handles that remain cool to touch, making it a perfect choice for your kitchen. At number 4. Zojirushi EPRAC50 Gourmet Expert 1350W Skillet. Very few models beat the functionality and practicality that comes with the Zojirushi EPRAC50 Gourmet Electric Skillet. You can rely on this model full of advanced features to offer you a performance that you will love. This model comes with a non-toxic coat that not only makes it easy to clean but also allows you to use minimal cooking oil or butter for healthier meals. For fast and even heat up, this model also comes with a powerful electric motor and construction materials that allow you to cook delicious food all the time. If you have a medium-sized family or love inviting a few friends to your home, this model is an excellent choice as it comes with a large cooking surface. Moreover, thanks to its innovative design, the skillet is simple to use and easy to carry. At number 3. Bella Electric Skillet. Bella Electric Skillet is reshaping the cooking game by allowing the user to get quicker, healthier, and mouthwatering dishes. Featuring a multifunctional design, this is necessary to have a skillet for professional and avid home chefs. This model will help you roast, sauté, steam, fry, and bake with more ease. It also comes with a large cooking surface that will not only allow you to cook up to 10 drumsticks at once but also great for cooking other family meals, including ratatouilles, omelets, paellas, tomato sauce with meatballs, risottos, and many more. For enhanced convenience, this model comes with an easy release feature with a ceramic, copper, and titanium coat that ensures fast heating, even heat distribution as well as simple cleanup. This model can withstand extreme temperatures, making it a decent choice for most kitchens, both commercial and home-based. At number 2. Presto 06857 16-inch Electric Foldaway Skillet. Why settle for less while you can find a model that offers you everything you need? Besides being crafted from high-quality materials that ensure versatility, this model comes with unique features that you will love. To begin with, this model comes with a pour spout that allows serving easier. We also love its foldable handle, making it easy to store when not in use. What's more, this model comes with a large cooking surface, which is handy for preparing various meals. It also comes with a decent design, so you do not have to transfer the food to another bowl when serving it. Finally, at number 1. Ovente 12-inch Electric Kitchen Skillet. The Ovente Granite Electric Frying Pan allows you to cook anything without the help of a stove, range, or cooktop. Powered by 1400 watts, it rapidly and evenly heats up the pan, leaving no hot or cold spots while saving you time and money on energy bills. From savory bacon and egg scrambles for breakfast to a custom-made pan pizza for dinner, this skillet can do it all with ease. This frying pan is made of high-grade aluminum and the cover is made of heat-resistant borosilicate glass which features a steam vent for safety. 12-inch round surface, tempered glass cover, stylish granite finish, and stay-cool handles allow the frying pan to double as an elegant buffet server or pizza maker. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.